square root of numbers. We start with 25. What is the square root of 25? You add up the two digits, which are 2 and 5. That gives you a 7. You subtract 2 from 7. That gives you 5. That becomes the square root of 25. So simple. Then we move down to number 6. Square root of 64. You add up the two digits, 6 plus 4. That gives you 10. Then you minus 2 from 10. That gives you 8. 8 becomes the square root of 64. Great. Move down to 7. The square root of 196. You add up the digits again, 196. That gives you 16. You subtract that from, you take out 2 from 16, that gives you 14. 14 becomes the square root of 196. Isn't this simple? Of course. Now let's do number 8. This is your homework.